Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we have an awesome mail call. This package was sent by Nathan's MRE. Didn't bother to cover up the addresses, the both P.O. boxes. So if you want to send us something or you want to send Nathan something, here's your post office boxes. Okay, so not sure what's really in here. So let's get it open, see what we have. Let's see what we have. Okay, first thing we have, B1 unit, got crackers, cocoa, and jam. Look at that. Golly, that is awesome. Got the key. Man, I haven't seen one of these keys since I was a kid. Put it in, go all the way around and open it. Man, Nathan, thank you very much. B1 unit. Wow, I can't wait to get into this one. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, got a little accessory pack. All right, we have like a strawberry soup, and then package of charms. Set that right here. Let's see what else we have in the box. Oh man, look at this. It's a 2011 a smothered chicken, Canadian IMP. Wow, and this looks good. Looks like it's in really good shape. Ah, there's something else in here. Wow, such a big box. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, golly. So we got another 2011 Canadian IMP meatloaf with Cabernet sauce. Man, this is gonna be great. Okay, so big shout out to Nathan. Thank you very much. 2 2011 Canadian IMPs, the strawberry soup, the charms, and man, I can't wait to get into this. The B1 unit. Look how great this can is. It's in perfect condition. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this. And I can't wait to get into the Canadian IMPs. Probably gonna do the meatloaf first, but man, big shout out to Nathan. And man, I don't know what to say, Nathan. This is great. So if you haven't subscribed to Nathan's channel, I'm sure most of you or all of you have. Put the link in the description. Nina will probably put his link someplace in when she does the edit. And that's gonna be it, guys. I think the next review will be the meatloaf. All right, thank you for watching. Big shout out to Nathan. Have a good day. Oh, I almost forgot. And as always, Nina would have really got on me. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get these rations because I'm gonna eat them, but you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thank you for watching.